Okay, Duckett, I lied to you. This is called monochrome number 7, like that dude from New York in the wheelchair. I figured this is worth about $10,000. I'd take cash only. Send a big envelope with the cash in it, stacked in thousands, and I'll get this right out to you. Alright. I'm yanking your duck. When Mila Jovovich gets into the show, by the way, the show is called The Gimmick. I'm not advertising this too much until I get my couple episodes in. But The Gimmick will attract all kinds of people. When Milo Jovovich comes here and does like a... Hey kids, I'm back again. We're waiting for paint to dry, which is boring as shit. Me and Mom, which are great, we're just watching some of that commercial news stuff about the presidential candidates and all that kind of shit. And I gotta say, Rubio gotta step down, man. Because if you're running for a new American century, like the platform that was the George W. thing with the PNAC, fucking plan for a new American century, and, you know, they already, like, were running the scenarios of what if planes hit the World Trade Centers and all that kind of shit. Or, like, keep the populace entertained. Let's blow a space shuttle up and have that run across half of fucking America so everybody can see, like, and be in ah! You know, like, what if I made you want to be in fucking ah? What if I signed up for fucking PSYOPs back in, let's say, 1990 for the U.S. Army, and they said it doesn't exist, sir. You got to apply somewhere else. But you can do that today, but you got to get a degree. And it's pretty easy. But what PSYOPs is it fucks with your head. It fucks with the whole fucking, viewpoint on how you view everything, like America. For instance, how you feel about the country that used to be the greatest country in the world. Now it's like 13th in education. Fucking our poverty level sucks. Fucking our production capacity doesn't exist anymore. And we're pretty much fucking tanking like a motherfucker. And the PNAC people are pretty much documented stealing trillions of dollars. You know, like a huge chunk. You say like 7-8% of the GDP from the American people on a bailout plan. The fucking, didn't bail us out of shit. And put us toe-to-toe with the fucking Russians. And that's what's really fucking going on. And you can't say that in popular media. You know, like, why is their gasoline price so low? Well, you put gas down to $1.41 a gallon in Tennessee, and the Russians don't make any money anymore because 95% of their fucking economy is based off of petroleum, which is debatable. It doesn't come from dinosaurs, kids. It's a 50-50 vote. It's not vexed, it's arguable, but petroleum comes out of the ground when the plates move around. So all you do is find where the plates are moving around or where pockets have been stored up. The big fucking thing we're sitting on that nobody knows about is the Bermuda Triangle. There's so much fucking oil there that it affects the gravity waves of planes that fly over it for the last century. And we got the most oil. So fuck Russia, fuck everybody else. Say it like it is, be an American, kick ass, and fuck yeah, let's make a man with a chicken machine. Okay, peoples, this is very unusual technique. I am out of time for the day. This paint is still wet, so what I'm doing is taking my fucking plastic and putting it over the motherfucker so I can just paint top to bottom, which I never have done. Stop staring at my ass. Anyway. I think I can do this. I think it's too high. I think we are doing okay. What we're going for with this show is kind of like a Bob Ross style painting show in the new fucking universe with, you know, confrontations between countries and like new economies developing. And I could not do the show or sell the shit online if I didn't have modern technology. But that is not really created by anybody that, you know, like, runs the government. Most of the stuff I'm using, almost everything, is from private enterprise. You know, like good old fucking make it in the garage America, ducking this. And that's what we're doing here. I'm going to sell this painting for $1,000 or $10, or you might buy me a beer and I'll give it to you when I'm drunk. And that's the way I go. Whatever you do, I don't know. But here's my crack again. Here's some black paint. Need about that much. Sorry, that's a secret. I had to keep that hidden from me. Don't want that one, want this one. Might need this. So this goes up here. Kids, if you ever get on Ritalin, do not drink too much coffee. Go something like that. Like this, like this, like this. Oh yeah, baby. Can you remember my name? In the morning. Oh yeah. Okay, we got that. And then what does the chicken machine look like? Some fucking crazy thing from 20 years ago, I don't remember. Got a big, kind of like chicken head sort of thing. And it's scary. Maybe we got an apple. Okay. Now we are getting places. And don't let my mom see me eat ash on the floor if I do that, because she will kick my ass. Okay. Look at how fucked up this thing is going to become. What did I do? Who cares? If you drink as much beer as I do, which is about a case a day, then fucking, you can make mistakes too. This is not like the original. Wow. But I remember this crazy thing. It was with this. And that fan is going to screw up all the sound, right? Okay. Still getting there. This goes down. We're almost done, kids. This is my most famous painting. Apparently I got footprints on the canvas now. But that's okay. It adds to the shit. Maybe I'll go back over. Probably not. And this guy got two. He's got a real long neck. So this is pumping something. So you show his arms. This. He's pumping a chicken. Damn. Don't show this on public TV. Where's the machine? Well, it's part of it. We got part of the machine. I made it too big too. These off like that. Mila Jovovich will be into my art, and I will meet her in person, and my testosterone will grow, and I will be a great person. I don't know who said that. Okay. Well, where to go, man? Okay. Get rid of this plastic. We already ruined half the fucking thing. Put this over here. Get that off my foot, you son of a bitch. Okay. This is how PAVI paints. You've been curious about it for 2 decades. Some of you don't know what I do. Kills the canvas, man. Look at that. Okay. So your arms get a little shorter. And then there's the big stick going up the chicken butt. It will look like this. Like this, like that. I'm just going to put a ball on the thing right there, because that solves everything. It explains it all. It's all mounted and welded up together. And when this thing comes up, I'm sitting on some kind of platform, right? Like that. And then the platform. I'm sitting on another platform. And that part's kind of there, you know. This guy's pumping this with both arms. He's pumping the chicken machine. He's pumping it. You don't know what it's going to do. And fucking, he got little legs, you know. Because he was born that way, you know. So don't make fun of him, you know. Okay, stop staring at my ass crack. Okay, that's about it. And then, I like it. I'm going to fix up these spots where the black spooge got on there, you know. But we got to take the little brush and we do this all the way back here. Man with chicken. I just spelled chicken. Fuck, I ran out of room. Close enough. And then we'll just do that up top. PAVI, it's always capitals on the PAVI unless you get an original from a million years ago. And then you put the year in. So they fucking know. Okay. That's about it. A little bit wide, we flip this thing over, it turns wide, you see? Ooh, look what happened. Okay. How do I do it? Because I don't use that for anything. No, that's not good. Do it like this. You don't want to lose the pen, it's expensive. I might fix it after the video and whatever you order you can get, you know, but that kind of thing, whatever. It's good enough, right? You see that on a fucking wall during a revolution 40 years from now, you'd be like, yeah, look at that. That's what my stepdad did. Okay, all over. Kumbaya. Hey, final note. That's the thing. That's how it's coming. I'm not messing with it no more. But final note is this shop that I'm working in was built by an American-born citizen that served in World War II in Eisenhower's office because the man taught himself how to type 25 words a minute. And if he can do that back then, and I can do this now. I know I can sell this thing for hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars. Someday, this is going to be a very expensive piece. It'll be worth more than a house because it's the third rendition of one of my initial paintings. And I put this, like, stupid video up, right? Whatever, but, like, no disrespect, but my stepfather, who left me this shop to work out of, didn't step down from shit. You tell him some bullshit, he'd tell you some bullshit back, but he'd be true. And it's just like where America is going now is not a good place. And stand up, speak for your rights, take your rights. Don't let these corporate motherfuckers like walk over you like, oh, I got more education than you. My experience, I'm 42 years old. In my experience, the people with the most education know the fucking least about how the country actually works. You take them into the ghetto, they get scared. You take me into the ghetto, well, have a good time. Alright, that's all.